Welcome to my channel. My name is ODETOLA Ebenezer Israel. If you are new here, I create content that are relevant to teachers in the classroom environment in terms of technology and arts. And in today's class, I'm going to be teaching you how to make use of some tools out there for your examination in your virtual class. And I'm very sure that this video is going to be of help to you. So I'll be right back with all the steps you need to create this. Thank you. Welcome back. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I want you to do so with the link below. Very sure today's class is going to be all about how to create a kind of platform that we can use to conduct our examination that is coming soon. And I'm very sure that you are going to find these tools interesting. I'm going to be giving you 6 tools that you can use to conduct examination virtually. These tools, some of them may be free and some of them may not be free. Or you may, let me use the word, some of them are going to be free, but you will need some other tools to be added to it to make it function well. And about 50%, about 70% of them are free, and 30% of them may not be free. So very sure you are going to find it interesting, and I'm going to start with number 1 on my list. So let's go to our space to start the exploration immediately. Number 1 on my list, I have quizzes. So with this app, you can create a lot of questions that you can send to children, and this is a kind of a mathematics question, and with this, children can choose the correct answer, and this is a very lovely app that can allow your children to work on mathematics question. But there's one problem out there about whether they will be teaching the children, whether somebody will be guiding them or not. I'm very sure that if you do your work well, you won't even bother about that at all. Everything about virtual class should not be all about children will not cheat, this and that. Teach them what they need to know. So when they learn those things, I'm very sure you won't bother whether they are going to be guided or not. So this is another part of it where children can flip and they can go through all questions one after the other. They can need review and they can go it, flip again, and this is very nice. Another part of it, this is another question again. They have templates there. They are ready-made templates for questions, and you can just click on the question, edit, and do a lot with it. The website is just below. You are going to register. When you register with this website, I'm very sure you'll be able to create your own quizzes that you can use for your question. So this is quizzes, very fun app to make use of, and I would like you to embrace this app and give it a try in your school. So the next app on my list, is called ProProfs. ProProfs is like it's like a question and answer app that enable you to create online quizzes also, and then with these quizzes, some of these quizzes can come in form of question that you can send online. Let me show you some example of what I'm talking about. How good are you at marketing? So you are going to rate, and you can also click on different types of answers also here, and with these tools you can get the children's answer, get their opinion about the question you ask them, and this is a very nice one. And then there's something I like about these tools is ability for them to be able to work on it on their iPad and on their phone. So they have 3 options there. They have the one for their phone, for their iPad, and for your laptop. So you can give this a try. There is a link below for you to explore this. So the next one on my list is one of the tools I so much enjoy to use. This is called Google Slide. With your Google Slide, you can create a lot of questions for children, and children can come over here, drag the answer. They can drag all the answers. There are so many of them. You can make this a kind of exam where children drag all the answers. You can also do it in such a way that children can fill in the form, they can answer it in form of literacy, numeracy, and more. So Google Slide is very good, fun to use. I'd like you to give Google Slide a try in your school, and I'm very sure that this will be of benefit to you. Google Slide can be accessed under Google when you click on google.com, or just go to your Google Drive direct. When you get to your Google Drive, you can get Google Slide over here. So this is Google Slide, and maybe it's just like a worksheet creation, and it can also be used for exam. The funnest part of it is that you can make it a kind of a collaborative exam where all the children will have their names at the beginning. They will click on their name and they will find themselves in their own worksheet. It's a very fun material to make use of, and I'm very sure children will enjoy working with this. So imagine children tracing with this. The only thing they need to do, I would like to tell you, that is that they will need to download it as an application on their phone. So on their smartphone or on their iPad, they can just download Google Slide on Play Store. So by the time you send them the assignment, it is going to open as a kind of application like the one you are seeing on the screen. So very sure Google Slide is for everybody, regardless of the kind of platform you are making use of. You can share the link. If you are using WhatsApp for your exam, you can share the link and send it to the children. The children will click on the link and they will find themselves on the exam board, and a lot of things you can do. You can integrate it into any LMS that you are using in your classroom. The next on my list is Google Drawing. Let me show you how Google Drawing looks like. So with your Google Drawing, you can do a lot with your Google Drawing. Trying to come up. Google Drawing is one of the fun material that we have out there, and it can be used in the classroom for lots of examination. Yes, children can utilize this app for exam. So how do you make use of this app? Check it out. This is an example of Google Drawing. We have science here where we have children working with a lot of labeling, so they can label, add the answer there. Any of the answer, they can write it there. And another one, we have fraction where the children can write the answer. This is 1/3, this is that. They can fill in all those answers there. It's very easy to make use of this worksheet. And then for lower classes, they can also still make use of this app. This app is for all. It is free, and I'd like you to give this app a try. This app is one of the apps that I will actually recommend for you, especially for primary classes where they need a lot of pictures to see before they can answer questions. So give this a try, and I'm going to be right back with 3 more apps I want you to embrace. So I will be right back with 3 more. Welcome back. So this time we are going to move to the last 3 that I have for you on the list. So the first one under my last list is for you to make use of Google Form. So what exactly is Google Form? Google Form is a type of material that you can use to ask questions, and with that, students can respond back. They can even get instant reply. Instant reply can be done on Google Form, and with this Google Form, a lot you can actually have access to on your Google Form. Google Form is easy to access. Just go to your google.com, and from there type out, click on the 9 button, then access your Google Drive. From there you have your Google Form. So this is my Google Form, and this is how it looks like. It's a very fun material to make use of. Apart from being fun, it is something that can be used to set exam, and children will find it easy to fill. You can do it in such a way by activate the quizzes, and do it in such a way that the children can even get their mark immediately. So I can ask, who is EBEN? So from here now, they are going to ask me a man, I'm giving them an option: a woman, a dog, a cat. So I want to add answer key. Can add answer key. I am a man. So by the time, and then I can also add. Let me go back to that answer key. I can add points. Whether this is 10 points, the children will get to know immediately. So there's more you can learn on this Google form. It has so many ways for you to be able to use it. We have short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down. A lot you can do on this, and you can even upload pictures. You can also add voice, videos, audios, and more. So give this a try. I'm very sure you are going to find it very easy. So the next one I have on my list is called Jamboard. So how do you make use of Jamboard? Jamboard is one of the material out there that can give a lot of LES and a lot of opportunity to color. Jamboard gives a lot of opportunity for children to color, and with Jamboard, it's a fun material. It's just like a whiteboard where children can color, where children can paint, and this can also be used as a form of writing exam. These are some of the things I've created through Jamboard, and let me go back and create a new one. So with Jamboard, children can color, children can do matching. Maybe you want them to match one with one, two with two, cat with cat, this and that. Some of those things that we do in the school. So this is a very fun material to make use of. They have different colors of pen, very nice material. So you can use it to conduct exam, and with this you can also bring in because the title, this is art exam, and with this the children will be able to know that this is art exam. And then you can also bring images. Maybe you bring it in form of worksheets, then the children will fill this, and this is fine. I love this, and then I would like you to see it as one of the tools that can be used for exam out there. Another one I would like to also teach you is the one you use regularly, especially for if you don't trust your student. If you trust your student, I don't think you need Zoom. So Zoom is another application out there that we can use to conduct our online learning. Zoom.us. With Zoom, according to what you are seeing there, there are a lot of things I do with Zoom. So with Zoom, you can do a lot, and Zoom can be used for a live exam. So live exam, children can see you, you can see the children. If it is even possible, you can tell them to move their camera backward, and with that you'll be able to see the whole of the environment. So this is nice, easy to use, and I'd like you to give it a try. I'm on 7. Whoa! So the last one I'm going to give you is called Google Meet. So Google Meet, I have the video down there. Just go and check out Google Meet work. Google Meet is also like Zoom, and I would like you to give it a try. Google Meet is a video live conferencing. We also call it Hangout. It's a video live conferencing, and it gives you a lot of opportunity for you to do a lot of live video. There's even subtitles to this. According to the video you are seeing there, you can see those subtitles coming in, going out. Give it a try, and I will appreciate if you can take any of these tools and use for your exam that is coming up soon. I'm very sure this video in one or two ways can be of help to you. Try as much as possible to look for different ways that you can use this app, very creative way that you can use this app in your environment or your school. And I'm very sure that I've done well, and I've done my best. Give it a try, embrace it. This is the change we are talking about, and the Lord will bless every of us out there. Thank you very much. I'll be right back with more videos.